What's up guys, Rob from showingmotorparts.com. Is your Ultrex on-off switch not working? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to replace it. The power switch is located on the top of the foot pedal and turns the power on and off to the motor. We see a lot of these going bad and also see a lot of these working intermittently from not making good contact. It's a quick and easy fix, so keeping a spare one of these in your boat wouldn't be a bad idea for on-the-water repairs. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace it, so let's get started. So this is the on-off switch. It has two positions. On the top of the switch, there's a rocker where you'll select on or off, and on the bottom of the switch, there are two wire terminals for your wires to connect to. Over here on the sides, there are these clips that hold the switch secure in the foot pedal. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is shut the power off to the motor. Next, we're going to pop the switch out of the pedal. For this, we're going to need a skinny flathead screwdriver. We're going to pry up on the edge of the switch until it comes free. And once it comes free, you can pop your wires off of the old switch with a pair of needle nose pliers. There's not a lot of slack in the wires, so it's important not to pull too hard on them. These connectors can also loosen up over time, which can cause the connection on the switch to make weak contact. If your connectors are loose, you can squeeze them like this with a pair of needle nose pliers to tighten them up a bit. Now you can reinstall the wires to the new switch. The terminals are going to be installed towards the front to make the on position towards the front of the pedal. It doesn't matter which wire goes on which terminal, all the switch is doing is breaking contact. And now that the wires are back on, we can put the switch back in the pedal. To do this, we're going to line the switch up with the hole and push it down until it locks in place. And now you can power it back on and test. And if it turns on, you are finished. So that covers it for the Minn Kota Ultrex on-off switch replacement. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.